Hi everyone, welcome to Ckenna's channel. My name is Ckenna, and in this channel we discuss about business ideas, online business ideas that you can start as a graduate, as a college student, as a mom, or anybody who wants to start a business. So today I'll be sharing about 5 work from home online jobs perfect for stay-at-home moms. You can replace your incaps so you can have time doing mommy duties. So the first one is going to be online coach. Do you have expertise on a certain job field? You can use those skills and experience to launch your online coaching career. You can be a health coach teaching on nutrition and mental health. You can also be a life coach coaching on general life approach, examples in career, business, purpose, and health. Or you can be a business coach coaching on setting up business, business growth, business strategy, and so on and so on. Also, a career coach, I think I've spoken about this, coaching on career transition from one job to another, breaking the glass ceiling. You can connect through Zoom and emails and calls in your own schedules. So it's not like you're going to meet somebody face to face. You can do it on Zoom or emails or calls. Then the second one is going to be freelance, right? So, if you're a good writer or want to start a career in writing, freelance is the right job for you. Write on any topic and get paid. Think about it. You can write an ebook on area of your expertise and you can sell it on different platforms. Also, you can be a guest writer on blogs. Where can you get the writing gigs? Well, you can cold call in magazine, blogs, and see if they can let you be their guest writer. In addition to it, you can be a blogger. This is quite simple. You can create a website and start blogging on any topic. Sites like Blogger, Wixsite, WordPress has a free option. Earning from blogging can take months or even years, but you can earn from promotions and affiliate marketing. Also, check out my blog on kennaswardrobe.wixsite.com, and you can also blog from your IG account. The next one is start a printable business. Let me write it down. If you're a creative mom or shove that creative talent somewhere, create some crafts and printables and sell it on Etsy or any other e-commerce site. The next one is surveys. There are quite a number of sites that offer paid surveys. Be careful when applying or signing up. Just Google paid survey site. Note that the payout is very little to sustain unless is research work. Oh well, this is the end of today's video. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Please subscribe and see you on the next one.